Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the offset V-stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and you will need to know how to make the double crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. I also have videos made on the half double crochet V-stitch and the double crochet V-stitch. The difference between the offset V-stitch and the double crochet V-stitch is actually just the placement of the V-stitches. And I will show you guys that as we go along. I will have those two videos on the previous V-stitches listed down below. I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the offset V-stitches, so this is how they are going to look. And on the row that I'm currently working, I made 3 chains, which this is going to count as 1 double crochet throughout. So I'm ready to make my first offset V-stitch. When working V-stitches, you would normally work them into the open space made by the previous V's. You're not going to do that. You're going to skip over them. You're actually going to work into this stitch in between them. That's where you're going to work your offset V's. So 1 double crochet into that stitch, chain 1 double crochet into that stitch for a V, and that is what that is going to look like. So instead of working them into the previous V's, you're going to be working them in between, and that's what makes them offset. So they are not lined up. Again, you're going to skip over this open space. You're going to work it right here into this little chain or little stitch in between them. So double, chain, double crochet, all in that same stitch or chain. Again, skip this open space. This is where you're going to be working your next V, and that little stitch or chain in between those previous V's. Same thing, we've come to another open space from a V. Skip over that. You're going to be working your next one right into here. Same thing, we've come to an open V, skip over that. This is the stitch or the chain that you're going to be working into. This one right here in between these two. One double crochet, chain, and double crochet all in the same stitch. Same thing, we've come to an open space. You're going to be working on into this stitch or this chain right here. Double crochet, chain, double crochet. And then just like over here, we made this chain 3, which counted as a double crochet. We're going to make a double crochet into this last space right here to make it even on each side. So if you were going to continue, you would then repeat this pattern. You would chain 3, you would skip over this open space, and you would work into these little stitches or chains in between these previous V's. And that is going to be how to make the offset V-stitch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.